So you might be trying to figure out how you can get the ultrawide camera within Snapchat. Now, I will tell you, this is a rolled out feature, so it's rolling out, it's ongoing. And if you don't have this feature yet, it doesn't mean it's not going to come to you. You're going to have to wait a little bit of time. Now, personally, I do not have this feature yet, but if you go and take a look at a Reddit post that somebody made, and we take a look at that image, which I already downloaded, you'll basically be able to see that in order to actually turn on ultrawide mode, you want to go ahead and load up Snapchat. So you want to load up the Snapchat application, and on the right side of this specific panel right here, you should be able to see this ultrawide little option. So if I go and zoom in a little bit more, you'll basically see this little option that says ultrawide. All you want to do is go ahead and click on that option, and your camera will automatically convert to an ultrawide camera. Now, I also think that what you can also do is go ahead and take your two fingers and kind of zoom out like this, like you would on your iPhone or Android camera, and that should also allow you to zoom out as well. Now, if you're in my situation where it's still not, showing up, you may want to click the plus button right there and look for that ultrawide toggle. So you can see right here, I still don't have it. So if that ends up happening, what I would recommend doing is making your way over to your App Store or Google Play Store. So go and click on search, and all you want to do here is go ahead and type in Snapchat. So go and type in Snapchat. As you can see, I totally typed that. And all you want to do here is pretty much just update the application. It's as easy as just clicking here, clicking probably, update, and then you want to go and open up Snapchat again and see if you have that new option of the ultrawide, effect. Now, if you still don't have it, like I said before, it's ongoing. It's going to be rolled out to you soon. It's been over a month since it's been out, and I still don't have the feature. So maybe at some point it's going to come out to you. So I'd recommend just updating the app as soon as possible. But what you can always do is go ahead and make your way over to your camera roll if needed. You can go into the ultrawide camera here, and you can go and take a photo in ultrawide mode. And what you can always do is just go make your way over to Snapchat, and you can go ahead and open up that photo that you just made. So under my camera roll, here's that photo I took, and you can go ahead and send this out or edit it up and use it as a normal Snapchat just by doing like that. So there's always that option as well if you want to. But again, if it hasn't been out in your area yet, then all you have to do pretty much is wait, and you should be able to get it sooner than later. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.